Hi guys, I'm Jasper and I've just received my first box of SURU bamboo clothing. Yeah, I'm so excited to have received this, and yeah, I'm gonna go try it on now and rip into it. So this is my first box I've received from SURU Life, and yeah, I'm really excited because I've been following these guys for a little while. I saw one of their ads on Facebook, and you know, it really caught my attention because they're super eco-friendly. All their clothing is made from bamboo or organic cotton, and they also are planting a tree for every piece of clothing they sell. So yeah, I don't know, I really rate what these guys are doing, you know, and also their designs are super cool. Like, as you can see, this design is one of 12,000 town designs in Japan. So you know, obviously I live in Japan and I'm a big fan of it. So yeah, I'm so excited to open one of these, and it's one of the subscription. It's one of the subscription boxes. So yeah, they're going to be sending me 4 t-shirts and two hoodies this year. So yeah, these subscription box, this idea is great. So yeah, and there's also going to be a few surprises in there. So I'm really excited to see what they are. Cool. Oh, there's some super cool things in here actually. These are some of my favorites actually. They're Japanese crisps. They're really delicious. God, I feel blessed to have those as well. A few chocolates. Yeah, those just look delicious. Share those with my parents. Oh, some Hiroshima lemon spice. Yeah, I used to use this a lot in my cooking actually. So yeah, so cool to have that. Some more chockies as well. God, they've really gone all out with the surprises. Yeah, I'm super stoked for that. What are these? Open these up. Ah, so cool. These are bamboo straws. You know, this is such a good idea because I still think a lot of people my generation are using plastic straws, but yeah, I'll definitely share some of these with my friends because that's such a cool idea. Yeah, I think plastic straws have hit their end. What else? Oh, we got a sticker as well, or what's this? It's for a poster, I think. Oh, cool. Yeah, so basically they've given me a promo code, and I can basically, yeah, you can use this on their website to download a free poster. So that'd be great. That'd be a really good addition to my room. God, that's a really nice touch actually. Fantastic. I'm a big poster man. Well, now for the clothes. Ah, cool. Like everything they've given me actually. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on now. It's actually the same design. So I ordered this on their website. It's the same design as some of these stickers. So yeah, I'm a big fan of it. So yeah, I'm gonna tuck in. Ah, cool. The fabric is, you know, the material is super soft as well. Feels like it's going to be really good for summer, definitely, coming into summer now. So yeah, this is the design. Yeah, I'm so happy with this. It seems like, I haven't even tried it on yet, but I can tell it's going to be comfortable already. So yeah, I'm going to try that on. There's also, they've also put a hoodie in here for me. So yeah, I'll pull this out. It's also come in custom packaging as well. So I'm definitely going to keep this packaging because it's really nice, and it's probably something lovely to put in my room as well. And yeah, obviously reusable, so I can use this for putting in some of my documents and stuff like that. Or bringing clothes in. So yeah, it's the same design as the t-shirt, this. So I thought they would go pretty well together, like a good matching pair. Also, this jumper is super soft, seems so comfortable, you know, ideal for those sort of, you know, colder days, I guess. We get a few of those here in Osaka. So yeah, here it is. Gosh, yeah, it's so soft, and yeah, I feel like it's going to fit well. But yeah, I'm going to go give this a try on now, and I'll come back and yeah, see how it fits. So yeah, I just put this number on, and oh, honestly, I couldn't be happier with it. It fits so well. It's so incredibly comfortable, like more comfortable than pajamas, I would even say. And yeah, I'm obviously like super happy with the design as well. Yeah, I feel like you know, really good in this, and it's going to just be perfect for those hot summer days, sweaty days we have here in Osaka. You know, according to their website, it's moisture wickening, it's antibacterial. It's the perfect t-shirt really, and also great to wear underneath a hoodie on the cooler days. So yeah, super versatile. It's going to be safe in the wash. So yeah, I'm super happy about this, getting this shirt. So yeah, I just whacked this on, put it on over the shirt, and again, it's just so comfortable. It kind of feels like I'm wearing nothing. It's a pretty windy day today, and it's also protecting me against the cold. So yeah, very lightweight hoodie. I guess it's just a testament to, you know, it being made out of 65% bamboo, 35% organic cotton, and no spandex. So I know I don't have to worry about it stretching or expanding in the wash or anything like that. So yeah, I'm super happy with this hoodie. It's very warm, especially with the hood on as well. But yeah, it's going to be a very versatile and great for all sorts of environments. So yeah, so thankful to the guys at SURU Life for sending me this. This is fantastic.